your special Chef G. And on today's episode, we'll be taking a tropical ride. We'll be making pineapple coconut fried rice. And we'll serve that in a pineapple bowl. So I remember when I first tried this meal and I served it to my dad. Hey, the man was very happy because he had never seen anything like that. Like, it was the first time he was seeing rice served in pineapple. He ate the food, he liked it, and he poured out his heart and blessed me. So this is one meal you want to make for that one special person in your life. Are you ready? Let's go! So for this recipe, we'll be using chicken breast, vegetable oil, garlic powder, eggs, salt, seasoning cubes, beef, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, ground white pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onions, green beans, carrot, Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course the coconut. So I'll start with my coconut. I've already diced them into tiny cubes. I'll go ahead and blend until it's smooth. Next, I'll turn it into a strainer and sieve out the coconut milk. Then I'll turn the coconut milk in a pot, top it up with water, add some salt to taste, and cover and bring it to boil. The coconut milk is boiling. I'll add the rice and allow it to cook. Now my pineapple has been thoroughly washed since I'll be serving the rice in it. To make the bowl, I'll cut the pineapple lengthwise to divide it into two. Then now I'll just go ahead and make squares in the fruit. You're cutting through, but just make sure that the tip of your knife does not hit the skin. So once I'm done making the squares, I'll go ahead and scoop the pineapple into a plate. This part I'll keep to juice later. Now our bowl is ready. I'll just set it aside. Next, I'll cut the beef into sizes, small sizes like so. I'll also cut the chicken breasts into biteable sizes. Next, I'll go ahead and season the beef. I'll add salt, white pepper, garlic powder, seasoning, and I'll mix everything to incorporate the ingredients. Then I'll repeat the process with the chicken and set it aside. Next, I'll dice my vegetables and get them ready. because after now the process will be a speedy one. So my rice is properly cooked and ready to be added to the dish. In my wok, I'll add vegetable oil and sesame oil. Then I'll add the beef. I'll stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. Now the beef is halfway cooked. I'll add my chicken and continue the cooking process. The meat is ready. I'll take them out and set aside. In the same wok, I'll add vegetable oil, the eggs, scramble the eggs and take them out. So now it's time to combine everything. I'll be adding sesame oil to the wok, then stir fry all the vegetables to have them green and crunchy. Then I'll add the pineapple and stir fry until it's cooked. Next, I'll go in with the egg and meat. Then I'll add the cooked rice and soy sauce. And I'll mix until it's all properly combined. Then I'm adding spring onions for some freshness and the meal is ready. This looks amazing. And the taste, trust me, is incredibly amazing. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and hit the subscription button to always get notified when we make a new post. Thanks for watching. Bye.